starting off your story with a screaming headline. I've been reading this book. It's so good. I've been eating it, by Chet Holmes. It's called The Ultimate Sales Machine. And one of the things he said was capture attention with a screaming headline. Now, we all know that, but the thing that I read in this book that stuck with me is it said, tell me what you want to tell me in 3.2 seconds. Because if you have the average span of 4 seconds of somebody's attention before you lose it, capture their attention in 3.2 seconds. So in the book, it continues to talk about like what you want to do is be able to have a 1-sentence headline, usually 5 to 11 words long, that will explain everything that you're trying to tell people. So it's very snappy, witty, and then those people that have interest are obviously going to read the rest of your post. If they don't, then they'll just move along. But that's a good way to disqualify people that aren't interested in exactly what you're doing. I know that there is clickbaity stuff out there. This is like, everyone was shocked when they found out what we were doing. What happened next, like, blew their mind. And then that's it. Like, that's very clickbaity. Facebook does not like that kind of stuff. But if you can be pretty clear in what you're trying to achieve with a quick headline, like, for example, in our world, it would sound something like, we just did this new ad this week. We filmed it at the park. It's 11 minutes long. It's a story. It's pretty amazing. It's a video ad. We've been testing long videos, having a lot of success with that. In fact, really good lead costs and awesome stuff. But the headline was, what was it? It was like marriage equals happiness, togetherness, and love. And then traditional 9 to 5 equals suck, or something like that, right? And that was the headline, and it's gotten a lot of attention. We put some emojis on it and stuff. So just, and then of course the call to action in the third line was register or save a spot at our website. So again, guys, what you want to do with your headlines is you want to see if you can capture their attention and tell a little bit about, or at least lead into what everything's going to be about in that first 3.2 seconds.